Good evening, children. Once again, I welcome you. I welcome all of you. Now, our next question. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial p of x, kx square minus 3x plus k. Understood? Now, what you have to do? You have to find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor, then p of x should be 0. X minus 1 is a factor, children. Yes or no? Is a factor. So, what does it mean? So, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Substitute value of 1 in this polynomial. P of 1 is equal to, what will happen, children? K into 1 square. K into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. It should be equal to 0. K into 1 square, k. 1 square 1 into k. Minus 3 plus k. Should be 0. K plus k, 2k. Minus 3 is equal to 0. So, 2k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3 by 2. Yes or no, children? So, and arrange this part. Now, do the cross verification. Check it. That's called cross verification. Whether my answer is right or not. Now, put in place of k, what you have to put? 3. 3 by 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 square 1 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2, children. I'll take this plus 3 by 2 first, then I'll take it minus. I'll interchange this term. It should be 0. 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, children. What is that? 2 times of 3 by 2. Yes or no? Minus 3. 2 to 1, 3 minus 3. Answer is 0. So value of k is equal to 3 by 2 is correct. This is called cross verification method. Try to do for every some children. Understood? So, pause my video whenever you have done. One of these questions will come for, this type of question will come for 2 marks. Understood? So, we'll do one more sum, finding the value of k. What's that? P of x equals kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So, x minus 1 is a factor. Then what is the value of x, children? 1. Find p of 1. P of 1 is equal to what, children? In place of x, put 1. K into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. So, what is 1 square? 1 into k minus root 2 plus 1. Equal to 0. Because x plus 1 is a factor. So, what is k value? Root 2 go to that side, it will become plus, 1 becomes minus. This is the value of k. So, if you have doubt, put it in this given equation. Cross verification. CV means cross verification and find our answer. If you have doubt, root 2 minus 1, put it in the place of k. Root 2 minus 1 into 1 square is the value of x minus root 2 minus root 2 into 1, then plus 1. Yes or no, children? It should be 0. 1 square 1 into root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1 minus root 2 into 1, root 2 plus 1. See, children, root 2 plus root 2 minus 1 plus 1 more. Answer is 0. So, our answer k is equal to minus root 2 1 is correct. Yes or no? Easy, children. Understood? Yeah. One question of this type. Find the value of k. If here is x minus 1, then we give x plus 1, x minus 2, anything. Then substitute x value by taking the factor equal to 0. Next question, children. Factorize. How to factorize, children? by splitting the middle term. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Factor s means find the factors. What type of polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. It will have two factors and it will have two zeros. Now what we have to do, children? In this type of sums, x square coefficient should be 1. It should not be greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, shift it to constant term. Temporarily it becomes x square minus 7x plus 12. This is the original equation. This is the temporary arrangement. Now what do we do? Split the middle term in such a way that sum of two numbers should be minus 7, product should be 12. For that, factorize 12. 12 will help to find the two factors. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. What are the two numbers, children? 2 2s are 4 and 3. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Add these two. 4 and 3, 7. Since answer is minus sign, both numbers should have minus sign. If one is plus, one is minus, you have to subtract. You don't get 7. 4 3s are 12. Minus 4 minus 3. What are the factors, children? X square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. Whether you write minus 4 first or minus 3 first, it makes no difference. Now pair them. Take common factor. What is the common factor here? X minus 4. And children, please remember, here blindly I write x minus 4 without looking here. Whatever you get here inside the bracket, same thing should come. Rule number 1. Whatever is there here, same thing should come here inside the bracket. Rule number 2. Here plus sign was there, it becomes minus. Sign changes. Outside will be minus. Then take 3 common. See children, yes or no? One factor is x minus 4, which is common. Other factor is x minus 3. These are the x minus 4, x minus 3 are the factors. But I did a small mistake, children. What is that mistake I did? I said we should take original equation. Original equation. So this factorization is correct if this is the question. But this is not the question. What the original question? Come to the original question. The factors, put it in that question. This should be plus 1. So what is common here? 4x common. Then what is left here? 3x minus 1. 4x common, 3x minus 1. So what should we get here? 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is common here, children? Again sign changes, outside minus, same thing remains, 3x minus 1, 1 is the common factor. So 3x minus 1 is the first factor, then 4x minus 1 is the second factor. So these are the two factors of this quadratic polynomial. Multiply this, we get something. 3 4 12, x into x square, 12x square, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 3x into 1 minus 3x, minus 1 into 4x minus 4x, minus 3x minus 4x are like terms, add them we get 7x. Yes or no, children? So I did a small mistake, then we corrected it. Please be careful. Thus I put the thick sign here. This 12 will multiply to constant term temporarily to find the factors, then we should take original equation only. If you do what mistake I did, you will lose 2 marks. Please take care of it. Next, children. Next, we go to the next question. What the next question? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. In the last video, in the last topic video, we did this type of sum. Yes or no, children? Come to constant term. Find the factors of 5. What are the factors of 5? Plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 5. Randomly substitute. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. If you put 1 here, the given polynomial p of x. If you put 1, do we get answer as 0? Let us check. 1 cube, 1. X square, 1 square, 1, minus 3. 9 into 1, 9, minus 5. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. We'll get minus 16, not equal to 0. Then 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. If x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, what does it imply? X minus 1 will be the factor. X minus 1 will be the factor. Here, p of 1 is not 0. Therefore, x is equal to not, is equal to 1 is not the 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is not the factor. Then we'll put minus 1. We'll put minus 1 children in the given polynomial. What do we get? P of minus 1. Check randomly. So, minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. It should give us 0 children. It should give us 0. Let us check. Minus 1 cube. I told you yesterday. Minus 1 raised to a number 3 which is odd. Minus and remains. If it is minus 1 raised to a power even, it becomes plus 1. Plus into minus, minus 3. Then minus into minus, plus 9. Then minus 5. 5 minus 3, minus 5 minus 3, minus 8, minus 1, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. What did we get? P of minus 1 children? It is 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 implies that x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor. Yes or no children? Now, yesterday we did one sum based on this. So, please pause my video and get your doubts clear. If you have any doubt, put it in the comment box. Understood? Yeah. Now, we should get x plus 1 as a factor. Yes or no? Here what do we have children? Here what do we have? X cube. Then x plus 1 should be factor, isn't it? Right? Plus x square. We have split this term. Yes or no children? Then what should I write here? Now you take x common. Take x common. X square common. What do we get? X plus 1. Yes or no? So, in the next term also we should get what? X square. X square. So, what we should write here? We should write here. Now, we have taken 1x square that side. We should write here 4x square. 4x square. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3 minus 3x square. This I split it as minus 4x minus 9x minus 5 children. See, it tallies. Blindly I have written x square here. I split 3x as x minus 4. 4 minus 1, 3 minus 3. Here I split this 5x as minus 4x minus 4x minus 5x minus 5. 9x I split as minus 4 minus x. Then I split minus 3x square as x square minus 4x square. Understood children? See now, we have got 6 terms. Pair them. Pair them. X square common, x plus 1. What should we get here children? We should get x plus 1 as the factor because x plus 1. What are taken common? Minus 4. Tallies or not? Minus 4 into x, 4x square, x square, minus 4x common. X are not children. See, cross verify. Then you check, you can rectify your mistake. Minus 4 into x, minus 4x square, minus 4, minus into plus minus, 4x into 1, 4x. Then what is common children here? We should get x plus 1 as the factor. What is common here? Minus 5. Because sign changes outside minus. Which are the factors children? X plus 1 is common. take it outside. Then what is left here? X square minus 4x minus 4. Yes or no? So previous sum we did now, splitting the quadratic equation, factorizing, splitting the middle term. What the answer is? Split the middle term. What you should get, children? X plus 1 is 1 factor. Then split the middle term. What is that? 5 and 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1, 4. What 4 we should get? Minus 4. So the number should be minus 5x plus x minus 5. 5 minus 1, 4 minus 4. Sign of the letter number. Yes or no, children? Minus into plus minus. 5 ones are 5. Yes or no? This is equal to 0. So what should you do, children? X square minus 5x plus x minus 5. So factorize this. What is common here? What is common here? X. X into x minus 5. Again I said you should get same thing here. X minus 5. Here outside what do we have? X plus 1. Yeah. Now x minus 5 remains outside. Same sign. Outside it will be plus. Nothing common means 1. What is the common factor? X minus 5. Then x plus 1. This is one more factor, children. X plus 1. See, it has 3 zeros. X is equal to 5. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. 3 zeros because it's a cubic polynomial. Yes or no, children? Please practice this and get your doubts clear. We'll go to the next one. What is that, children? Algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. We have to use these identities. Standard one. Ready-made answers you can find. Algebraic identities. What are they, children? So ready-made formula we know, isn't it? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Yes or no? Here first 4 identities: x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square, then x square minus y square, then x plus c into x plus b. See, children, what is x plus y whole square? We get x square plus y square plus 2xy. Formula number 1. Why they are called identities? It is true for any values of the variable x and y involved in it. What is x minus y whole square? X square plus y square. Since y is minus, 2xy will be minus. X square minus y square, children. X plus y into x minus y. Please remember this. Ready-made answers. Standard answers. What is x plus into x plus b? X into x, x square. Plus x into a, x into b. Multiply these two both the terms. Multiply these two both the terms. Any common factor? Add them. Like terms, add them. X into x, x square. X into b, bx. Plus a into x, ax. Plus a into b, ab. Then what you have to do? Take common factor. What is common factor here? They are like terms. X is outside. What is left here? A plus b into x plus ab. This is the ready-made answer of this identity. X plus y whole square, x minus y square, x square minus y square, x plus a into x plus b. So, which is the next identity, children? Fifth one. Fifth one. So, square of 3 terms. Square of 3 terms. So, You can write it in a notebook about these identities and practice it. You have to solve sums based on this. Now, how do you do this, children? X plus y plus z whole square. Like we did x plus y whole square. What do you write first? Square of, there are three terms. Square of first term, square of second term, square of third term, plus 2 times of first two terms, x and y. 2 times of next two terms. xy once you take, yz you take once, again you take xz. xy, 2xy, 2yz plus 2zx are 2xz or zx. This is the answer for this identity, children. For the next identity, x plus y whole cube, then x minus y whole cube, x plus y whole cube, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So, what the sixth identity? Sixth identity, x plus y whole cube. What x plus y whole cube, children? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Yes or no, children? Please remember this identity. Understood? X plus y whole cube is our next identity. So, after that, so this is sixth one. Then seventh one, x minus y whole cube, children. X minus y whole cube. Understood? X minus y whole cube. What is x minus y whole cube, children? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Because y power is 1, which is odd. Therefore, minus sign comes. Because x is, y is minus. Understood? Last one, children. Last one. What is that? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to what, children? Is equal to what? X plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. First term. X plus y plus z is the first term into you write the square of all the three terms. X square plus y square plus z square. Then what do we get, children? Minus xy. So what I do? I do one thing. I want to write it in one line. So what do we write? Answer for this I write it here because it's big lengthy. Understood? So x plus y plus z. Then square of all the terms. X square plus y square plus z square. So last three term. Last term is what, children? Minus xy z. What the answer? Minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the answer for x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So these are the 8 identities. Please remember, it will help us to solve the sums. So by using these identities, we will solve next few questions. Okay, children, we will do next. Next is a question solving based on these 8 identities.